looks like I'm live. Okay. But I can't. Hi guys. I am, oh, there. So now I'm live, I think. I'll just wait for some people to start watching. Meanwhile, let me tell you something about me. I'm Poruma Dasgupta. I'm a singer. I live in Mumbai and I am a playback singer. I sing for ad films and regional as well, like Telugu, Bengali. So today I'm really happy to be a part of this music festival called the Common Roots Music Festival, and it'll be nice to have you join me, and maybe we could sing a little. I really don't know, I can't see any. Abhijit, sorry. Hi from Common Roots. Hey Doris. Hi Abhijit. So, hey, how's it going? And how's the quarantine going? How are you spending time? I'd love to know some of your, what you have been doing, and maybe we could sing a little. So this is one song that I had sung for a TV show called Jam Room. It's an old classic, and I absolutely love the song. It was sung by Asha Ji, and it's absolutely blasphemous to, even attempt a song by Asha Ji and not be able to sing it because nobody can sing like her. So we had thought of giving it our own touch to it. It's a little different from how the original is, and I hope you like it. Hungry Puppy says hello. Madhura Chaudhary, hi. Alright, so maybe we could start with that. It's been beautifully redesigned by Miko Ajay Singha. He's so brilliant. आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस एक पल है, आगे भी Hi Chetan, hi Sunil Sahu says hi. How's the lockdown been for you guys? अनजाने सायों का राहों में डेरा है, अनदेखी बाहों ने हम सबको घेरा है, ये पल उजाला है बाकी अंधेरा है, ये पल गवाना ना, ये पल जो तेरा है, जीने वाले सोच ले, यही वक्त है कर ले पूरी आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस ये एक पल that is where we are right now in the world. जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, because we've been fighting some of the biggest like you know, हम लोगों ने जो सब सोचा भी नहीं था, हम लोगों को you know movies में देखे थे, we are going through that and we are dealing with such difficult times. पहले corona, then you know fires happening here and there, plane crashes, and then this devastating cyclone in Bengal and Eastern India, I think even in Bangladesh. So the world is going through some really difficult times, but like this song says, हमको actually नहीं पता आगे पीछे क्या है. So live this moment. Just be grateful that हम लोग we've made it so far, and whatever time you're getting with your families, with your, you know, getting to do your own stuff, it's absolutely important. So you, in case you want to donate, here are all the fundraisers. So Common Roots is doing it for a cause. They are donating, they are raising funds for, you know, COVID. So you can please check out the link here posted by Common Roots and donate whatever you want to. Even a little bit counts, you know, a little can also make a lot of difference to a lot of lives. And especially, it's not just COVID anymore. There are so many other, there are natural calamities that we're dealing with. So any amount of money, no amount of money is enough, and any amount of money is not very little. So, you know, it's the intention that matters. Make your donations to any of the fundraisers, and all the links are shared below. Please go and check them out. And Common Roots is doing this really beautiful music festival. So right after me, there is this amazing artist called Apurv. So you go and check that out too. He'll be, I think, live from his page, and you can check it out on Common Roots ka Facebook page. Anything that you want to tell me? Any requests that you have? I would see if I have a track to it. If not, then I can just hum a few lines maybe. Let's see. Let me sing this. Yes, an amazing lineup ahead. Please don't miss. ये गरीबों की मदद हो रही है सुनील जी. It's not possible to reach out to the गरीब directly, so that's why these fundraisers happen. Raat Shabnam. Wow, I love that song. I shall sing a couple of lines back. दो लफ्ज़ों की है बातें कही है, फिर दरमियाँ क्यों रुकी रुकी, कह भी न पाए रह भी न पाए, फिर बेवजह है ये बेबसी. हाय बहन, तुम में हम हैं, हम में तुम हो, तुमसे हम हैं, हमसे तुम हो, किस्मतों से मिलती है दो दिल यहाँ. हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. खुश नसीब है हम जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. That is so true. हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. We've seen that. There are so many people. हम लोग, some of us are really blessed that. Oh, thank you so much, Immaculate Fernandez. Amber Ghosh, Jagdish, thank you. Urban Lobo, thank you so much. It means a lot. A lot of people are really struggling. उनके पास खाना नहीं है, उनके पास घर नहीं है, छत नहीं है, और अभी इतना बड़ा एक डिज़ास्टर हो चुका है ईस्टर्न इंडिया में. वेस्ट बंगाल इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयड, जिसको कह सकते हैं. एंड I am from Calcutta, I am from West Bengal, and I can't tell you what it feels to see those lanes. It's like I've never seen such a thing in my life, and it's just so any amount of money is not less, I think, for these fundraisers. There's this one song that I have, alright, it's 3:11, I have about less than 10 minutes. Let me tell you that a lot of artists are lined up after me. There are a lot of beautiful artists, so please don't miss it, and make sure to at least check out these links. Whether you want to donate or not, just check them out. Maybe you can do something about it. Exactly, Sunil, यही बात है. So let us, प्यार बांटना हमारे लिए बहुत important है, because we are the lucky ones जो अपने families के साथ रह पा रहे हैं. हमारे प्लेट में खाना है, हमारे सर पे छत है. It means a lot. You have to understand that. Okay, so I think I'll wrap it up with that. But before that, Immaculate Fernandez had requested one song, and I said I love it. रात शबनमी भीगी चांदनी, तीसरा कोई दूर तक नहीं, इसके आगे हम और क्या कहे, जानम समझा करो. ओ इसके आगे हम और क्या करें, जानम समझा करो. सनम तुमको जिस दिन से देखा हमने, दीवाना दिल काबू में नहीं. बड़ा प्यारा सा ये इत्तेफाक देखो, तुम ही मिल जाते हो हर कहीं, तुम ही मिल जाते हो हर कहीं. प्यारे आगे खुद ही जान लो, और क्या कहे, जानम समझा करो. ओ इसके आगे हम और क्या कहे, जानम समझा करो. Thank you so much. Yasmin says you have a beautiful voice. Thank you very much, Yasmin. It means a lot. If you have any request, all right, before join us with Apurv. Yeah, exactly, that's what I was saying. There are a lot of beautiful artists lined up after me. I've got about 6 minutes, and you can head to the page of Apurv. He's also a wonderful, I don't know if it's a he or she, if you guys know. एक गाना सुना दो प्लीज़. ज़िंदगी हर सफ़र है सुहाना, ज़िंदगी हर सफ़र है सुहाना, ज़िंदगी एक सफ़र, ये वाला ना, है सुहाना. यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, ज़िंदगी एक सफ़र है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. आरसी राणा, why are you saying no? क्या कर दिया है मैंने? Spread the good music, cheer, and deed, yeah. Join us for the lineup tonight and even next Saturday, 30th May. Alright, so please tune in to tune into the Facebook page of Common Roots, because even next Saturday, which is 30th of May, they have amazing artists. Thank you. Stay live. Stay alive, stay alive. What do you mean? अच्छा, whatever it is, I don't have much time. So मैंने एक गाना, जब मैंने ये गाना बनाया था दिसंबर में, I had shot this with this amazing brilliant actor from Calcutta, नील भट्टाचार्य. तो हम लोगों ने जब ये बनाया था, and the entire team, you know, the director and everyone, the writer, my sister, everyone, when we were ideating, we did not think कि ऐसा वाला situation आ जाएगा. So our idea, if you check out our video, it is about organ donation. We wanted to do, you know, send out a message to the world, do something for your community. It is a version of Akla Chalo. Thank you, Bonnie. My pleasure. So it is my version of it. We have made it Hindi and Bengali with certain original parts also. It's been, the Hindi parts have been written by this friend of ours, Arjun Chandravanshi, and it's been so brilliantly written. I'll sing a few lines from it, and I think that's all the time I have for now, because after this, hey Aisha, how are you? Because इसके बाद आपको कॉमन रूट्स के पेज पे जाना है या फिर अपूर्व के पेज पे जाना है, एंड वहाँ पे the live music will continue. Right now this is my आपके लिए मेरा गुड बाय मैसेज, एकला चलो बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে. যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে. একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে. It's been recreated by this amazingly talented music producer, composer called Sandeep Chatterjee. Sandy, thank you. It sounds amazing, the track. I'll sing the Hindi lines. गहरा गुबार हो अंधियार के आगे, जो जाले की हार हो. जब हर दिशा में अनसुनी तेरी पुकार हो, जब हर दिशा में अनसुनी तेरी पुकार हो. उम्मीद की ला, उम्मीद की ला थाम के दीपक सजलो रे. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে. So I know अभी social distancing बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो जहाँ भी जाइए एकला चलिए, अकेला चलिए. हम लोग सब in spirit we are with each other, we are going to stand by each other, and you know हम एक दूसरे के strength हैं, but we really need to maintain social distancing and a lot of hygiene, lot of cleanliness and everything. I hope हम सब मिलके this corona and the cyclones and all these kinds of whatever we are facing, इस सब से उभर आए, and that's what I can wish for, I can pray for. And from me right now, that's it. Apurv is online right now. Go and check out Apurv's page. Till then, bye. See you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, R.C. Rana ji. Means a lot. Stay healthy, stay safe, and see you sometime soon. Bye. And do donate to on these pages. Give India plus IFA plus VOSD, and there are all the links shared. Do check them out. Thank you, Noni Gopal De, Bangladesh Teke. Greetings from India. Thanks, Doris. See you soon. Bye. Bye, everyone.